Now I want to find out HRA for Anil. Okay, so now what I can do is I'll apply the index function. I'll say tab here, and in this function box I'll choose the first one, and here in the array I will take the complete table. I will take the complete table in the array, all the values, and in the row number, since I am looking for Anil, the row number would be 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4. Column number, since I am looking for HRA, the column number is 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4. I write 4, and I'll get the value as 2491, which is here 2491. Now friends, I don't want, if I want to see, instead of Anil, I want to see Akhil, I have to go and change the column number here in the formula manually. Column number and the row number. Instead of HRA, if I want to see DA, I have to change the column number to 3. Instead of Anil, if I am looking for Akhil, I have to change the row number to 2. But I don't want to do that. So what I can do here is, I'll open this function, argument box, and now what I'll do, I'll use the match function. I'll use the match function. Now how the match function will work, let me show you first that how the match function is going to work here. Suppose Anil and HRA, I don't want to change their names when I want to get the different output. Like here, if I am saying equal to match tab, I open the function box, and in the lookup value I choose Anil, and in the lookup array I will choose the first column where Anil is written. Match type, I'll take 0 for exact match, and as soon as I did this, it has given me the number 4. It has given me that the Anil is at the fourth row, or the position of row is 4th. Now instead of Anil, if I type Avi here, you will see what happens. It will automatically change it to 5. The number is changing on its own. I don't have to change the number here. Similarly for HRA, if I want to generate it, I'll use the match function. Match function, I'll say go and search HRA. I'll do it in the function box, argument box. I said in the lookup value, I gave HRA, the cell which has HRA, right? I will just delete it and I will type the cell HRA, right? And in the lookup array, I will take the first row. In the match type, I'll take 0, and as soon as I put 0, I can see it is also giving me 4. I say OK, and HRA is at the 4th number. Here if I type DA and enter, it will give me 3. If I type TA and enter, it will give me 5. So you can see that these numbers have become dynamic now. To get the column number and row number, I don't have to go and do anything. I just change the names and the column and the row number automatically changes. Now I'll go and do the same thing. I'll apply this match function within my index function. I'll open this box, and here in the row number, instead of 4, I will delete 4 and I'll type the match function here. Match, bracket open, and I'm selecting the cell where Anil is written, put a comma there. Then I will select the first column, right? And then I'll put a comma and 0 and close the bracket. If I say OK now, oh, there is a typo error at this stage. We'll correct the typo error here. By mistake, instead of comma, I have put a full stop. I'll put a comma here and I say enter, and I get the value as 2491. And the best part is that HRA of Anil is 2491, but I don't have to change the column number, row number again. If I type Avi here, Avi, the HRA for Avi is 2549. So the value should change to 2. Yes, it is changing to 2549. Now here for HRA right now, I have not done the same thing. I have not used the match function here. HRA, if I have to change to DA, I have to manually go and change the 4 to 3. But I don't want to do that. So again, I'll open the function box. I'll say OK. And in the column number, I'll delete this. I'll take the cell where HRA is written. Sorry, first I'll type the match function. And I'll take the cell where HRA is written. I'll put a comma. put a comma, select all the cells in the first row in this row, right, and then put a comma and 0, close the bracket and enter. So as soon as I enter, now instead of HRA for AVI, if I want to find basic and I say enter, you will see the AVI basic is 8495. 8495. And now friends, I can also apply a list from data validation so that I don't have to type the names also. I'll click here. I'll go to insert tab. Sorry, I'll go to the data tab. I'll go to data validation. In the data validation, I'll choose first option. And in this, right now it is saying that in this cell, any value can be taken, which is a default setting. Now I will say select list. It is asking where is your list. So in the source, I'll select names of all the agents and say OK.